Let's meet some super cool punctuation heroes who help our sentences make sense. Punctuations for Kids, Part 1. So come with me as we meet the punctuation heroes. Full stop. Full stop. A full stop tells us when a sentence is finished. Example, I like chocolate. This sentence ends with a full stop. Question mark. Question mark. Whenever you ask something, use a question mark. Like in this sentence, what is your name? Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Use an exclamation mark when you're excited, surprised, or even angry. Here's a sentence example for you. Wow, that's amazing. Next we have comma. Comma. A comma helps you take a small pause or separate items in a list. For example, I like apples, bananas, and oranges. Next is apostrophe. Apostrophe. An apostrophe shows when letters are missing or something belongs to someone. Here's an example for you. That's Maya's bag. Next is colon. Colon. A colon helps introduce lists or extra information. Example, I need these items: pencils, erasers, and crayons. Next is semicolon. Semicolon. A semicolon connects two ideas that are closely related to each other. Example, I have a dog. He is very playful. The next one is quotation marks. Quotation marks. Use quotation marks to show exact words that someone speaks. Example, Mom said, it's time to play. Then we have hyphen. Hyphen. A hyphen joins two words to make them one. Example, this is a well-known story. Here, well-known is a hyphenated word. And the last one on our list for the day is ellipsis. Ellipsis. Ellipsis shows a pause or that something is missing. Example, I wonder what will happen next. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know so many different punctuation marks, and I'm sure now you will be able to construct more meaningful sentences. And for more such fun videos, be sure to check out other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.